My God, have you heard the news? If we don't mend our ways, even the common deer will be the unique animal on the face of the planet Earth. Uh-oh, I think I forgot to introduce myself. I am Ash from Ashenico Education, and today I will be giving a really inspirational speech on the environmental issues we are having nowadays. Our environment is like our Mother Earth is really in a lot of trouble and all. So we need to mend our ways and all that will be written, will be told to you in my speech I'm gonna say. But before I continue with my speech, we're introducing a notification squad, and you have to comment down below #unicorn if you're with me or #gaming if you're with Nico. Nico is usually not so much on this channel because I'm the one who controls this channel, but it's still you're a boy who's watching it, then obviously it's gonna be Nico. And also tell if you're a girl or a boy, and whoever is the first one to comment that will be getting a shout out. Along with that, you have to tell me your ID for Instagram or Snapchat or you get the idea of any social media app, and uh, just comment the comment your ID and you'll be getting a shout out on that if you really want. And now let's continue with my speech. I'm so upset I even forgot my introduction. Now that is done, let's continue. Lately, I've really been involved in scientific stuff and news regarding environmental issues. And guess what I found? Can you even guess? I don't think so. By the year 2030 till 2050, you will hardly be able to see nature. An anonymous personality says, and I quote, "I don't want to protect the environment. I want to create a world where the environment doesn't need protecting." If you ask someone with the farthest vision to tell you what he sees, I assure you, it'll only be industries. What's going to happen to us? Earth provides enough to satisfy a man's needs, but not a man's greeds. The earth provides enough to satisfy a man's needs, but a man doesn't provide enough to satisfy the earth's needs. The way we used to go to visit northern areas and the cold regions with mountains and all would be the same. But instead of mountains or soil filled with nature and you know, you get the idea, we'd see mountains of plastic. A panda is the cutest thing on earth. Can you imagine life without them? I say, and I quote, "When trees would die and water would dry, man would finally realize he cannot eat money." Have you ever thought how and why this all started? Or why animals are dying, or why glaciers are melting, global warming, blah blah blah? Here's your answer. It's all because of us. What are the causes, you ask? Plastic, Wi-Fi, smoke, toxic wastes, etc. There may not be any animals left. It is hard even to picture myself where animals were undisturbed by humanity. I see animals, but no habitat. I see humans, but no humanity. I see pollution, but no nature. Be the part of the solution, not the pollution, I say. Why are we so heartless? Why can we not put an end to this? Why? Never doubt that a group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that has, says Margaret Mead. I need you all to help me. You must all pledge that you and me, together, will stop this and live peacefully. It's like I always say, stand hand in hand to save our motherland. Thank you guys for listening so carefully, and I hope you all will help me and put an end to this so that we can live peacefully with nature and everything around us. And yeah, don't forget about the notification squad. And yeah, guys, like, thanks for everything, like, for being such good fans. Like, thank you for everything. Goodbye. Peace out.